Welcome to Review Rumble. The best monomer holder is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any nail technician's arsenal, playing a crucial role in maintaining a clean, efficient, and safe workspace for creating stunning acrylic nails. This seemingly simple accessory is designed to securely house your liquid monomer, preventing spills, evaporation, and contamination, all while keeping it within easy reach for seamless application during your creative process. Number 5. SAVILAND Monomer Acrylic Nail Liquid. Achieve salon-quality acrylic nails with our professional monomer liquid. It's designed for a smooth, chip-resistant finish that lasts. Our advanced formula ensures your nails stay beautiful and bright, resisting yellowing over time. Enjoy a consistently clear and vibrant look. Experience an incredibly smooth application process, perfect for both beginners and professionals. It glides on easily for flawless results. Get your nails done in minutes. This liquid dries in just 5 to 8 minutes, saving you time while maintaining durability. Perfect for creating stunning nail extensions and intricate 3D designs. It's your go-to for all your creative nail art needs. Get started right away with 3 included brushes in sizes 8, 10, and 14. These tools are perfect for detailed work and application. What we like. This monomer offers a non-yellowing formula for lasting color clarity. Its smooth application makes it easy to work with, and the quick 5 to 8 minute drying time is perfect for busy environments. If you're a beginner looking for a reliable product for DIY salon extensions and 3D carving, this is a great choice. What people say. The monomer liquid holder is designed with a wide opening, making it easy to dip your brush without spilling. It features a stable base that prevents accidental tipping, ensuring a mess-free application. The durable acrylic material is resistant to acetone, so it won't degrade over time with monomer exposure. Number 4. SAVILAND EMA Monomer Acrylic Nail Liquid and Brush Set. Discover the SAVILAND EMA Monomer Liquid, designed for a low-odor, non-yellowing acrylic nail experience. It's perfect for creating beautiful nail extensions and 3D sculpting. This set includes our high-quality monomer and a number 12 nail brush. It helps create a protective layer that strengthens your natural nails, preventing splitting and peeling. Our enhanced formula offers superior fluidity, adhesion, and flexibility. Enjoy vibrant, long-lasting acrylic nails that stayed beautiful for over 28 days without yellowing. Experience quick, natural drying in just 5 to 8 minutes. The monomer fuses seamlessly with acrylic powder for a flawless finish every time. Whether you're a salon professional or a DIY enthusiast, this 4-ounce liquid is perfect for nail extensions, 3D carving, gradients, repairs, and French nails. The included number 12 brush, made with premium nylon bristles, ensures excellent liquid absorption and elasticity for precise control and smooth application. Remember to soak the brush in warm water before first use and clean it with monomer after each application for optimal results and longevity. What we like. Experience a low-odor formula that still provides strong adhesion for durable extensions. This monomer is designed for both beginners and professionals, ensuring excellent consistency and flexibility. If you prefer a less pungent scent while working and need a product that adheres well for extensions and 3D sculpting, this is ideal for home or salon use. What people say. This monomer holder is designed to prevent evaporation and contamination of the acrylic liquid, ensuring its longevity and effectiveness. The holder features a secure lid that seals tightly, preventing spills and maintaining the purity of the monomer. Its compact and stable design makes it easy to handle during nail application, reducing the risk of accidental tipping. Number 3. Krofaue Microfiber Leather Nail Hand Rest, Pink. Experience the ultimate comfort with our premium microfiber leather nail arm rest. Its high-density sponge provides a luxurious feel, superior to other materials, ensuring a pleasant manicure for every client. This practical arm rest is perfectly sized to fit under most nail lamps, keeping your workspace neat and organized. It helps you maintain a professional appearance and builds trust with your clients. Featuring a durable stainless steel holder, this hand rest is built to last and can support significant weight. Anti-skid hoses are included to enhance stability, ensuring a secure experience. Adapt to any nail art project with its foldable design, allowing you to adjust the height as needed. Cleaning is a breeze, simply wipe it down with a damp cloth. Ideal for nail salons, schools, and beginners alike, this stylish hand pillow is a must-have. It's also a fantastic gift for anyone passionate about nail art. Keeping it pristine is simple. Just a quick wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes to maintain its fresh look, ensuring it's always ready for your next client. What we like. This professional arm rest provides exceptional comfort with its premium microfiber leather and high-density sponge. Its practical design fits under most nail lamps, keeping your workspace neat. If you're a nail technician looking to improve client comfort and your own efficiency, this adjustable and easy-to-clean hand rest is a must-have for a professional setup. What people say. The Monomer liquid holder is designed with a wide opening, making it easy to dip your brush without spilling. It features a stable base that prevents tipping over during use, ensuring a mess-free application. The durable acrylic material is resistant to acetone, so it won't degrade over time with nail product exposure. Number 2. SAVILAND Pure EMA Monomer Acrylic Nail Liquid. Achieve professional salon results at home with this comprehensive acrylic liquid kit. It includes everything you need to create strong, beautiful nails that resist cracking and peeling. Our upgraded formula is enriched with nourishing ingredients, providing chip resistance and a non-yellowing finish. Enjoy perfect consistency and excellent adhesion for durable, flawless nails that last. Experience the ideal moderate drying time, allowing you ample opportunity for intricate nail art, extensions, and embellishments. It's designed for effortless application, even for beginners. This liquid is perfect for both professionals and beginners. Simply mix with your favorite acrylic powder to create stunning DIY acrylic nails, extensions, and more that stay vibrant for up to 30 days. The included professional-grade brush features high-quality nylon bristles that maintain their shape. Its excellent absorption and elasticity ensure a seamless blend with acrylic liquid and powder for perfect beads every time. Whether you're just starting or a seasoned pro, this acrylic liquid is your go-to for creating beautiful, strong, and long-lasting nail enhancements with ease. What we like. This monomer features an enriched EMA formula with castor oil and vitamin E for chip resistance and low odor. Its moderate 5 to 8 minute drying time offers a perfect balance for application, allowing ample time for extensions and embellishments. If you're a beginner or professional seeking a healthy, easy-to-use liquid that provides a flawless finish and lasts up to 30 days, this kit is perfect. What people say. The Monomer liquid holder is designed with a stable base, preventing spills and ensuring a clean workspace. It features a wide opening, making it easy to dip your brush without excess liquid clinging to the sides. The durable material resists acetone, which is essential for acrylic nail applications. Number 1. SAVILAND EMA Acrylic Liquid Monomer Kit. Introducing the SAVILAND Professional Acrylic Nail Kit, your all-in-one solution for creating stunning nail extensions and intricate carvings. This comprehensive set provides everything a professional nail technician needs. Our upgraded formula is enriched with castor oil and vitamin E to nourish and protect your nails and cuticles. Experience healthier, stronger, and more radiant nails with every application. Discover the difference of our pure EMA acrylic liquid. It offers exceptional adhesion and longevity with a lower odor than other products, ensuring a bubble-free and non-yellowing finish. Achieve effortless application and unlock endless creative possibilities. It easily forms gel beads with acrylic powder, perfect for nail extensions, carvings, French nails, and even applying rhinestones. This kit includes all the essential tools for a seamless manicure experience. From brushes to dappen dishes, everything is designed to make your nail art process easier and more effective. Create strong, long-lasting, and chip-resistant acrylic nails that maintain their beauty and durability. Enjoy the flexibility and professional finish you desire. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything a professional nail technician needs, with a generous 8 ounces of low-odor EMA monomer. The formula is enhanced with castor oil and vitamin E for nail health and strength. If you're a nail technician or student looking for a complete, high-quality set for intricate nail carvings and extensions with added nail care benefits, this is an excellent value. What people say. This monomer liquid holder is designed with a wide opening for easy pouring and refilling. The spill-proof lid effectively prevents accidental leaks and keeps the monomer contained. Its compact size makes it convenient for travel and storage without taking up much counter space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.